I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting posture and tension. This is why alignment matters. Keep shoulders relaxed and wrist neutral so your hands move independently yet predictably. Once done, lower action to about 3 mm at the 12th fret for clear contact and engage a metronome at 60 BPM to force timing. Play single note, 1/8 note drills slowly. You will hear mismatches. They reveal what to fix. Make sure to keep fingers curved and thumb anchored behind the neck for consistent leverage. Now you synchronize by isolating and layering. First, mute strings and drill the picking pattern with your right hand. Repeat 8-note groups until your timing is even. Then add the left hand. Execute simple 1-fret slides and half-step shifts, syncing the start of each left-hand motion with the pick attack. Once the pattern feels linked, employ slow, fast, slow practice, 60 to 90 back to 60 BPM, to consolidate neural timing. This builds reliable anticipation and reduces corrective delays between hands. Finish by integrating hands into complete musical phrases at your target tempo. You should aim for relaxed, consistent releases rather than clenched precision. Once done, record yourself and identify the exact beats where alignment slips. These marks guide your next focused drills. If problems persist, slow the tempo by about 20% and isolate the offending hand motion until accuracy returns, then gradually restore speed. Remember, small, deliberate repetitions beat random hours. Quality builds synchronization faster than quantity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.